Good morning. So in the morning, I always feel like my face is looking a little bit more puffy and tired and yeah, a little heavy. And so a face massage is a perfect way to just sort of lift, release the tension in the face, boosting that blood circulation and get some healthy glow to our face and our skin again. So we're going to be focusing on the eye area, the cheek area, and our jaw as well. So let's begin. I always find that taking a little bit of time, extra time to apply the oil also is a beautiful start to the massage because it warms up the muscles. This is one of my favorite moves because I love the fresh kind of glow and rosiness I get on my face. I always find that slow movements like this are better than rushing through. It just sort of calms our mind as well and our nervous system when we take our time with these movements. Warming up our muscles. So I'm just taking my fingers underneath here and above and just gliding with very gentle movements here. You see the difference already in my face. This one side is so much more lifted than this side. I'm going to spend a little bit more time. This is such an amazing lift here for the eye area, reducing any kind of puffiness too. Then going above the eyebrow like this will help with that lift. See that difference? I always like to go a little bit above the eye as well. What a difference. It's amazing. Okay, we're gonna do the other side now. So we're gonna glide. And don't rush through this part. Really take your time, because the more time and slow movements you're using here, the better the results. Okay, we're gonna take our fingers and again move them upwards. See how the lift is starting to happen on this side as well. We're going to take our fingers here again underneath the brow bone, gliding gently. Creating that lift. My eyes are looking way more lifted since the beginning now. Okay, so we're going to be working on the cheek area now, to sort of lift our cheek area. So I'm going to take my knuckles and then just move upwards like this. Now, just gonna apply a little bit more oil. It's so important to have enough oil on our face when we're doing these massages, so we're not tugging on the skin and it's just kind of gliding smoothly. So now I'm just going to take my fingers, keep moving up. I always find that when I do this exercise, this smoothens out a little bit too because we're lifting this area, so the smile lines are not as deep. Let's go on the other side. Okay, and then we're gonna do our jaw over here. Smoothing out, releasing any tension. On the other side. Then I always like to end with a little bit of a pinching movement here. It gives me that beautiful glow to the skin again. A lot more lifted and a lot more awake in my face now. I love it. Taking a few minutes like this for ourselves in the morning can make such a big difference. Not only are we feeling great and relaxed, but our face is looking nice and lifted and refreshed. So I hope you liked the session, and I will see you soon.